Welcome to ST Academy. Today, let us put some light on strategies to crack NEET 2021. Most of the students, they are eagerly waiting to know as CBSE has declared they have reduced 30% of the syllabus. Most of the students, they don't know what to study and what is the syllabus of NEET 2021. In this video, we will put some light on NEET 2021 syllabus, exam pattern and books. In this video, we also discuss the various chapters the student should follow to crack NEET 2021. In the next video, we will also discuss about the main and the important MCQs of all NEET 2021. For this, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notification. Let us discuss about NEET exam pattern 2021. This year, as we know that NEET is online. In 2020, the exam of NEET was on pen and paper test, but in 2021, it's online mode. We know that the duration of exam is 3 hours. Types of question, that is MCQ question, will ask in NEET. And we know the number of question, the total number of question is 180. And each question answer will fetch 4 marks. And there will be a deduction of 1 marks for each wrong answer. In physics, we have 45 questions. The total marks is 180. In chemistry, we have 45 questions. The total marks is 180. In botany, zoology, total questions are 45. Our total number of questions is 180. And each question carry 4 marks. That is 180 into 4. That is 720. Let us put some light on subject biology, the syllabus of biology subject. Class 11. The first chapter from class 11th is Diversity in the Living World. The second chapter is Structural Organization in Plant. The third chapter is Cell Structure and Function. Fourth chapter is Plants and Physiology. Fifth chapter is Environment. That is from class 11th syllabus. Class 12th syllabus, the first chapter is Reproduction. The second chapter is Genetics and Evolution. Third chapter is Biology and Human Welfare. Fourth chapter is Biotechnology and its application. And the last chapter for class 12 is Ecology and Environment. This is a brief explanation of biology subject syllabus for NEET 2021. Let us see the syllabus of physics subject. From class 11, the first chapter is Physical World. Second chapter is Units of Measurement. Third chapter is Kinematics. The fourth is Laws of Motion. Fifth is Work, Energy and Power. Sixth, Behavior of Perfect Gas and Kinetic Theory. Seventh is Motion of a System of Particles and Rigid Body. Eighth is Properties of Bulk Matter. Ninth and the last chapter for class 11th is Oscillation and Wave. Let us see the syllabus of class 12. The first chapter is Current Electricity. Second, Electrostatics. Third, Optics. Fourth, EMI, or that is electromagnetic waves. Fifth is Atoms and Nuclei. Sixth is Magnetic Effect of Current and Magnetism. Seventh is Electromagnetic Induction and Alternative Current. Eighth is Dual Nature of Matter and Radiation. And the ninth and the last one is Electronic Devices. This is a brief explanation of subject and the syllabus of physics. Let us see the syllabus of chemistry subject. From class 11, the first chapter is Some Basic Concept of Chemistry. Second chapter is Structure of Atom. The third one is Classification of Elements and Periodicity in Properties. Fourth is Chemical Bonding and Molecular Structure of Surface Chemistry. Fifth is States of Matter, Gases and Liquid. Sixth is Equilibrium. Seventh is Redox Reaction. Eighth is Hydrocarbons. Ninth is Hydrogen. And the 10th one is S-block elements. 11th is Thermodynamics. 12th is Environmental Chemistry. Let us see the syllabus of class 12. The first chapter is Solid State. Second is Solution. Third is Chemical Kinetics and Electrochemistry. Fourth is Surface Chemistry. Fifth is PDF blocks. Sixth is Polymers. Seventh, biomolecules. 8th is isolation of elements. 9th is haloalkenes and halorenes. 10th is alcohol, phenol and ether. 11th is aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. 12th is organic compound containing nitrogen and amides. This is a brief explanation or the syllabus of chemistry subject. Let us see the books which are required for NEET 2021. Most of the students, they are in a confusion which book should be followed by the student to get maximum marks in NEET 2020. Let us put some light on various books which are required for the preparation of NEET 2021 for physics, biology and chemistry. For physics, the test book of NCERT class 11th and 12th, that is for theory. For numericals, you should follow the concept of physics that is written by H.C. Verma. For biology, the best book anyone can suggest you, any teacher or a lecturer, any expert can suggest you, that is the NCERT test book is the best book for bio. If you want to do more MCQs, you should follow MTG or Biology Booster. For chemistry, same NCERT test book for class 11th and 12th. For doing numericals, you can follow MTG or OP Tandon chemistry book. These are the best books which are required to get a maximum marks in NEET 2021. In this video, we gave a brief explanation of all the syllabus for bio, physics and chemistry, and we suggest you some books that are required to get maximum marks. In our next video, we will give you most important MCQs for physics, biology and chemistry. Thanks for watching, and to never miss our videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified and smash that like button.